Number two, the scatter plot shows the relationship between the number of games a baseball team won in a season and the number of hours the team practiced each week during the season. So the two data points I'm comparing is the number of games and the number of hours. Based on this scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the number of games a baseball team won if the team practiced for 3 hours each week during the season? So I notice my X line over here, we've got hours of practice. The Y value is the number of games. So first things first, I am making a prediction, so I will be drawing a trend line. A trend line is a straight line through the center of the data points as best as I can. So I'm going to draw my straight line through the center, and I want it to extend all the way to the edges of the graph. Now, my starting point, it is asking, what is a prediction of the number of games if they practice for 3 hours a week? So I'm going to go over to my practice hours. I'm going to go to 3, draw a line up until I hit that trend line. And where does that line up with the number of games? Well, it's just above the 12 for me, and the closest thing here to 12 would be 13 games. So it's important that we keep that trend line to the middle of our data as best as possible, because if I was practicing 3 hours a week, I would estimate just above 12 would be the number of games we would win. There's my trend line. There's my prediction.